Hello guys, welcome to TVegano. Today I have a new recipe for you. It's the Philadelphia cream cheese. This cream cheese you can use for sandwich, snacks, eat with snacks or whatever you want, or make also with another recipes. So I just assure you that it's very good. So the first ingredient we're gonna use is the tofu. We're gonna blend it with olive oil, while my cat is saying meow for me. Meow for you too. Oops. So, after you get this paste-like consistency, it's time to add the cashew nuts that you let soak in the water for at least 8 hours, changing the water for sometimes, okay? Then blend it up again. So now it's time to cook in a low heat and add the other ingredients. That's the cornstarch, salt, lemon juice, and a spoon of cheese flavor. Then you're gonna stir until you get a more creamy consistency. You're gonna see that. So guys, it's ready, our Philadelphia cream cheese. It's just a few ingredients, so easy to make, and just a little bit of patience. Let's try. It's very good. I would say that you can eat your sandwich, eat with burgers, put in your pizza, whatever you want, okay? Just easy to make. Let's see you next week with more vegan recipes for you. We'll have English subtitles for the Brazilian videos with audios, okay? So when you have a Brazilian video, you can just click on CC on YouTube here, and you have an English subtitle for you too. Bye bye.